So yeah, I wanted to give you guys a couple of updates here. Number one, this is the gsb18v150c. I've been pretty busy. That's excuse number one. Excuse number two is the first gear in this seems to be like not engaging. Like I'm holding down on the drill. It's in first gear. There's just nothing. Like when I put any pressure on the chuck, it's like it just, I don't know, it's fucked. Like it's like the first gear just isn't engaging. Second gear, not an issue. You know, it'll tighten up and I can drill with it and everything, but I put it back to the first gear. I try to drill in a piece of timber and it just spins, like it just doesn't engage. So that's the main reason I haven't made a full review on that thing. I've been meaning to get in touch with Bosch and take it back to them, get them to fix it for me. But yeah, you know, I've had a bit going on, so I just haven't got around to it. I will do it because I really do want to test this thing and put it through its paces. Now, the other thing is this was like a pre-production type thing. They sent it to me before these were in the shops or anything. So there may be, you know, maybe because it was like an early release, there may be some fault. I will get it sorted and I will get you guys a full review. All right, now update number two is the house reno. We're in the thick of it at the moment. It's been on pause for about the last week because we've just welcomed our newest addition to our family, a little boy named Jack. So yeah, I haven't done anything the last like 7 days, but I'm back into it today. And I want to give you guys an update of what we've done in the first 4 weeks of the renovation. Now guys, this renovation is going to be like it's going to be in like about 3 stages. Stage 1 is what we're currently in now, and it involves getting the bathroom done and the bedrooms done. Once stage 1 is complete, then we can move in. From there, we can build the extension off the back, rip the kitchen out, build the new kitchen in the extension, and that will be the biggest stage. Stage 2 will be quite large, but we can't live in the house now until we get the bathroom done. We need a bathroom to live in. However, you can live without a kitchen easily. You know, you can have barbecues outside. I've got a brewery around the corner. They serve amazing tacos there. You know, it's easy to live without a kitchen, but a bathroom is a must. So a bathroom is stage 1, which we're doing right now. Stage 3 is then going to be knocking down this garage and building a new one in the back corner, maybe with the granny flat, depending on how the funds are going. I suspect I'm going to be pretty broke by that stage, so we'll see how that goes. Stage 1, it's the one we're in now. It's simple enough. 3 bedrooms, a hallway, and a bathroom. That's what we got to get done, and then we're moving in. I had all hands on deck. I had the boys in. I had like 4 guys here helping me demo, ripping out the bathroom, filling skip bins with rubbish. We've basically skim coated all the walls throughout the whole entire house, which was a massive punish, fucking dust everywhere. Then from about week 2 to up until now, it's just been me and Lewy. We've been ripping in, doing skirting boards, VJ with the dado rail. Still some patching to go, but we're like 90% of the way there with the walls. I mean, excuse the shitty painting work, but that's sort of where we're at with our architrave detail. We've put on all the architraves, you know, we've put up a couple of walls, we've extended the bathroom. Yeah, we've done quite a bit. Tons of patching, tons of painting. We've got all the painting up to about probably 80%. All the VJs had a coat. All the walls have been, you know, sanded, undercoated, and then got the final coat on it. We just need to do one more coat on pretty much everything and the painting will be done. Now the bathroom's a pretty big project. We've moved the wall out, we've taken the window out, we've stripped it back to the frame, we're starting again. This is what we're working with behind me. The bathroom wall used to stop just here, but we're actually gonna bring the bathroom out to about here. So we're trying to add about another 1.2 meters to the length of the bathroom. This here is the bedroom door that we are going to close in. That will be moved around onto this wall here. This right here is where the bathroom used to stop. As you can see, the old concrete slab. And this is where the hallway would start. So we need to now cut this timber floor out, put in fibro cement sheeting, and that way we can have one continuous bathroom floor. We've used AquaCheck on the walls, we've cement screeded the floor, we've waterproofed it, we've undercoated it. Now this is where it gets different. Instead of using tiles in this bathroom, I'm using micro cement. Micro cement is basically a thin coat. It's in between 2 and 4 mil thick, and it basically coats all your floors, all your walls. It's more of a European look, like really minimalist, but we'll be using it here. In order to get my skills up, I went and did a 3-day course at the Venetian Plaster Gallery in Sydney. This guy named Tony, he's an absolute legend. I've been pestering him, asking him tons of questions, and yeah, he's been helping me out a lot with this process. I don't feel like this is a particularly hard thing to install. It's more the process which is quite difficult. So there's many coats, there's many layers, and they all have to be done using different products. And that's probably the hardest part of it, to be honest. Now, Tony's the man. Look him up on Instagram. He does some really beautiful work, some really high-end work in Sydney. I'll link him in the description below. The bathroom is going to be all micro cement, all the walls and all the floor. There's one continuous coat in one single color. I think it's going to look cool. I think it's going to look really, really cool. It's going to be a bit different as well. And I figured that, you know, investing in this training, I'm also going to be able to use those skills in my carpentry business. Now, helping me a lot with this renovation has been Lewy, who you'll probably see in a lot of videos coming up. Lewy is the man. Me and Lewy go way, way back. We've been pretty much been best mates since like year 7. In high school when we were like 13. We've played in bands together and spent our whole 20s being absolute fuckwits together, and now we work together. So it's pretty cool being able to work on your home with one of your best mates. Loads of fun. And yeah, Lewy's a gun. He can do carpentry and landscaping and yeah, he's a gun. You guys will see. So far on this renovation, we've spent a little over 20 grand. Spent a little bit more on labor than I would have liked, but we're just trying to get more hands on deck to get in here early. I'm also using free labor from my old man a couple times a week, which is handy because, you know, he used to do this type of work as well. When I update you guys in the next 4 weeks, we will have moved in. I'm thinking the bathroom may take like another 2 weeks, maybe 3. The bedrooms are all like 80% done. The wardrobes still need a lot to do. I still need to custom make a barn door. Also need to custom make the bathroom vanity. So, you know, I've got my work cut out for me, but yeah, we are getting there, making a lot of progress. And yeah, hopefully in the next update video, it will be done. Now, I also want to make a bunch of videos focusing, you know, just on the bathroom, just on the bedrooms. And in those videos, we'll really unpack the process and unpack exactly what we did. So this is more of an overview video, and we will get into, you know, the nitty gritty in those subsequent videos. Oh, anyway, I'm fucking exhausted. I've now got to go and prime these bathroom floors. stick an undercoat on the ceiling, and then I've got to go back and hang out with my family. So yeah, that is pretty much the update. That's where we're at the moment. Stay tuned. There's going to be tons more content about this build. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.